if you don't lose person before on top cancer, you go understand it's a bad thing. Yep. And today na World Cancer Day. So I want to talk about some little things where you feel do, try by the grace of God. May we prevent cancer.
Okay.
Because cancer fear affects different parts of the body. Cancer fear affect man, if it affect woman, if it affect pikin. Right. So we just start sharply because of time. Okay. Breast cancer. So breast cancer they common for woman body. Okay. If you do man, but they see a way for woman body. Yep. So we always advise women, madam, try to examine your body. When you bath, you stand. No use and play. Try to check. Then if you know say you dey fat, try to arrange, make you not too fat, because obesity will increase your risk. If you dey smoke, try stop them. I'm not tell you say reduce them. Try eat healthy diets. Yep. And then if anybody for your family don't get breast cancer before, yep, you need to take careful. They monitor yourself and they go for your chances are higher. That one I won't rush them. Then the other one now, people where they smoke. Okay. You don't hear about lung cancer before. Because they forget, see. Now, even if you know they smoke, yep, but you dey near somebody where they smoke, you feel collect. Yes. You dey hear me so? Yes, now.
Just say you dey smell am, inhale am.
Yes. So somebody they smoke near you, but you know they smoke. Passive smoking, you feel collect problem. You feel get cancer of the lungs. If you increase your risk to get other cancer again, even if no be cancer of the lungs. Yep. Then man go tell you say, doctor, about prostate cancer, and prostate cancer too dey for men. Yep. So we go tell you say, oga, when you don't enter 40 years and above, try they go for checkup. Wetin be the symptom? Some man go tell you say, when I piss I see blood. Okay. When they release, maybe when they enter the other room, yep, some of them feel see blood. To piss feel be problem. Somebody sent me something yesterday on WhatsApp. One family member don't get like prostate cancer. Because they ask me, what can so I beg, we no one get to that point. Prevention, there are some things you can do, and early detection. You hear me so? And they go tell you say, if we make way, go make us not get prostate cancer. My brother is not confirmed though. Okay. It's not confirmed. All those ones nah.
Excuse for fornication.
Even sucking Bobby. Say your partner they suck Bobby as a man now. You can't go they suck Bobby. It not go prevent breast cancer. Okay. Final one, because of time. Final one. Okay. Cervical cancer. Woman, we don't they make way. You feel they at risk of getting cervical cancer. Yeah. So we go beg you. Oh baby, try go for screening. Yeah. You hear me so? Because you feel don't make way, can't carry the infection we fit give cervical cancer. The infection are virus they cause them. Okay. So that infection fit enter can cause problem, can cause cervical cancer.
Doctor,
yes,
you mentioned about sucking a breast and
yes.
If like say you just preempt somebody when they already ask whether it's sucking a breast
Bobby,
they cure
it don't
breast cancer.
People they do research well. Then say if woman born pikin and the woman give her pikin Bobby suck breast milk. It they protect her. Okay. But some people can't come out the pikin for the matter. They can't put and say if you suck Bobby, you go prevent breast cancer, not knowing that now breastfeeding of pikin. Okay. Oh. But some people we won't use excuse take suck. I'm not here, Oga. I'm not here to tell you not to do what it concern me. I'm just telling you that don't lie and say if you suck the Bobby, it go cure.
So now breastfeeding, now if you prevent cancer,
breast cancer,
no be for matured man to the drag breast. Why are you interested in this conversation?
Be this one. Not be breastfeeding. The breastman never say this. They lick the milk.
How will you in your own? Is it your milk?
I take God beg you.
No, is it your milk?
So waiting be the how the breast milk want to benefit you?
Not be nourishment.
No, not be nourishment. Go and eat.
Now nourishment for adults, Dr. Fred.
I don't understand though. I beg go.
Sorry, we know they carry you go. I
don't know where they carry me go.
We just want clear at that.
I know they follow na.
Chook mouth. 95.1